the best video creator software of 2023. Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you the best video creator software. It is fully featured dynamic video creator software. It has advanced desktop software, works on both PC and Mac. Okay, so it also has done for you video templates. It has built-in studio quality video themes. It has built-in studio backgrounds. It has kinetic animated text. It has built-in graphics and image library. It also has built-in voice recorder to record your voice. It also has a very awesome feature, the text to speech voice creator. It has multiple language video translation. Okay, so this is awesome. Okay, so and another good feature about this software is that it is a drag and drop Canva and timeline editor. Okay, so it has built-in kinetic and video transitions, built-in background and project video library. It has 4K HD square and vertical story style video production and 380 jaw-dropping unique special effects. Okay, so and last but not the least, this software, if you go and get this software, you'll also get full training and videos included. Okay, and there are some awesome bonuses which I am going to give to you. Okay, so if you want to know about the bonuses, okay, I'll just show you out here. Okay, so if you purchase this software from our link, okay, you'll get this following bonuses. You'll get 25 more done for you templates. You'll get 25 special effects templates. You'll also get live and recorded streaming platforms. Okay, so you'll get guides related to selling digital videos on Amazon. You'll also get guide related to master TikTok marketing. Okay, so you'll also get guides related to captivate with YouTube Live, engage more with Facebook Live, increase your influence with Instagram, store AI site builder app. This is awesome. Okay, so VR Studio 360 videos builder app. Okay, so you'll also get movie site builder app. You'll also get novel book site builder app, and last but not the least, you'll also get funnel builder app. So this is all this is just 14 which I'm showing you, and there are some unannounced bonuses which you'll get after you go and purchase this software. Okay, so now let's get to the software and let's look at how you can create new videos. Okay, all you have to do is select new out here, and you can see there are tons of themes. Okay, so these are all done for you themes. Okay, so these are all done for you themes, and you just have to first just select one theme that you like. Okay, so let's say this one. Okay, this is a bright theme, so I like this theme. Okay, so now you just have to give it a name. Okay, so just say let's just say example 1. Okay, for now. Okay, now this software, you can create stories, you can create reels, you can create YouTube videos, you can create YouTube shorts. Okay, so there are lots of things you can do with this video creator software. Okay, so I'll just choose this one, 1920 into 1080 full HD, and after I click OK, you can see this thing. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, it's very easy to use this software. Okay, it's user friendly. I like it. Okay, so now you can change the text according to your to what you are promoting, what kind of videos you are making, whether it's personal video, whether you are promoting a product, whether you are making a video for your company, for your service, for your let's say just for fun, for entertainment purpose, or for YouTube. Okay, so yeah, you just have to go and insert your text out here. Okay, so there are also a lot of things you can do. Okay, so whether you want to go and play around with this effects. Okay, so it's it's straightforward. Okay, so let's say segmentation word by word. There are a lot of fonts. Okay, so you may not like this font. Okay, so if you do not like this font, you can see out here there are plenty of fonts which you can choose. Okay, so I'll just do this. Okay, so you can just whether you want to do bold, you want to make it italics. Okay, so maybe you want to underline it. Okay, so yeah, after you do that, if you want to make it disappear immediately or random fade out. Okay, so let's say rotate out. Okay, so you can also choose the direction. Yeah, I'm just giving you the quick example of what you can do. So let's just click OK out here. Okay, so the sample text is here. Okay, so now you can also do voiceovers. Okay, so if you want to do voiceovers, you just have to click here out here and make sure you choose your mic. In this case, I have a HyperX Quadcast S mic. It's a awesome mic. Okay, so if you want to get it, you can get it. Okay, so you just have to click record button and sample text box. Okay, you just have to record whatever you want to do. Okay, so I just recorded it. Okay, so I just click stop right now. Now after you click stop, you just have to click OK. Okay, so now let's go and listen to the recording. Okay, so and sample text box. Okay, you just have to record. So whatever I just spoke, okay, so it has all recorded. Okay, so it's very, very easy. Okay, so not only you can record, you can also go and change it. Okay, change it in any language you like, whether you want to this software also has a text to speech option which you can use. Okay, so it is an awesome software. Okay, so now this is okay, so I just click the recorder out here. Now next thing what you can do is you can look at the script. Okay, so the script, you can add your script out here if you have your own script, or you can just write it down. Okay, so you can just write your script out here, and once you write your script, okay, so you can change your, you can translate the entire script. Okay, so whether you want to translate to Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Portugal, Spanish. Okay, so there'll be more will be added out here. Okay, so you can literally translate it in other languages. Okay, so the beauty of this is that when you go and upload your videos on YouTube, okay, so even the audience from other countries can go and understand your videos, and this will skyrocket your earnings. Okay, so next thing you can do is you can also use this text to speech. Okay, so if you want, if you do not want to give your own voiceover, you just have to insert your text out here, and you can see out here, okay, whether, okay, let's say we want an English male, or you want a female person going and talking in your video. Okay, that means text to speech converter. Okay, so this is so powerful thing. Okay, these two things is you won't find it in other softwares. Okay, so very, very easily. Okay, so even if you find it's very, very costly. Okay, so you can see out here, you can translate to any language. You can also go and translate text to speech and click OK. Okay, so and this will do. Okay, so for now just leave it for now. Let's go because I want to show you other features of the software. Okay, so now you can change the background. Okay, so you can add your background out here, and you can also use the background from this software. Okay, so there are lots of backgrounds which you can choose. Okay, so once you go and change it, okay, so you can also get it from cloud. Okay, so from cloud it will pull, you can also insert your own background, or from Pixabay. Okay, so from, if you do not know Pixabay is a site where you can go and find a lot of images. Okay, so free images for you. Okay, so just click this, and if you want to click apply, if you want to if you have more than one frame out here, okay, so whether you want to apply to all or just to one, so I'll just click OK. For now it will just go and apply to this one. Okay, so you can see out here that, and sample, sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, we just did the voice recording out here. Now we can change the background. We can just look at this text where you can change. Okay, so if you want images, okay, so they'll if you want images, okay, so this is the image box out here. Okay, so if you want to add images, okay, so you just have to click this add button, and there'll be tons of images for you to use. Okay, just choose from Pixabay, and you just have to wait for sometimes for the picture to load, the animation, the button parts, the characters. Okay, so everything. Okay, so okay, yeah, now it's loading. Okay, so just give it some time. Okay, and it will load all these awesome buttons. Okay, so you can see all these buttons. Okay, so it will load. Okay, so give it some time to load. Okay, so once it loads, okay, so you can see these buttons, okay, which you can use. Okay, so you can see this quality of these buttons. Okay, so you can use them, and if you just keep this thing open, all those things will go and load. Okay, so let's look at this animation. Okay, so animation, it's oh yeah, because in Pixabay there's no animation, I think. Yeah, so characters out here, cutouts, effects. Okay, yeah, this is a database of tons of things which you can use on your videos. Okay, so yeah, overlays. Next thing is the social icons out here. Next thing is the shapes. Okay, so yeah, these are something that you can use. Okay, so let's just choose something. Let's say buttons. Okay, so let's go and choose a button. Let's say okay, this one. Okay, so yeah, you can see you can look at the appearance, whether you want. Again, they are, you just go and play around with the effects. Okay, so I'm sure that you'll know how to use it. To just go and remember, if you are confused, they are training. There's a support team for you, which support is very, very important. Okay, so you can just go and play around with this software, and you can add those buttons out here. Okay, so I'm just showing you everything. Okay, now let's go to the sound. Okay, so you also have access to the sounds. Okay, because nowadays if you go and buy sounds from others, it will cost you a lot of money. Okay, but this software already has sound. Okay, let's hear the sound. Oh, this is the air blast. Okay, so these are the notification sound. Okay, so similarly you can go and import other sounds if you want. Okay, so now this is one thing. Let's go to the next thing, that is the video. Yeah, you can create videos out here, tolerance, softness, etc. Okay, so you can get videos from the library, and you can just make these videos. Okay, you can make a slideshows out here. Okay, you can add everything out here. Okay, so you can see out here these tools. Okay, so you can just go and add other things. Okay, so let's say energy. Okay, so we want let's add this one out here. Okay, so let's go and play. Okay, so now if you want to add a video, if you want to go and make videos, you can do this from this video page. Okay, so and let's see the transition. Okay, so for transition we'll add one more frame out here, and so that we know, please make sure the transition is not the last one. Okay, so yeah, you have to put it out here, and let's see the transition move from move down. Okay, so let's say, okay, so once it goes from this to this, let's see what happens. Okay, so whatever you want to do. So I just recorded it. So what's the transition? I did not get it. Okay, so let me try once again. You want to do. So let's make sure the transition. Okay, for the transition, let's say we move right, text image transition only. Okay, so let's go and display. Whatever you want to do. So yeah, this looks better. Okay, so this looks better, the transition. Yeah, you want to do. So I just, okay, so yeah, you have to play around with the software. Okay, just play around with the software. If you want to sync project, of course, I do not want to sync because we have not done anything right here. Okay, so now these are brand, which you can add your logo out here. You can make your own brand using this software. Okay, so now the beauty, you can see the beauty of this software is that you get the themes. You can give your script, and you can translate it in any language, and you can also do from text to speech. Okay, so you do not have to do your own voiceovers. Okay, so there are also, you can also make backgrounds. Okay, you can change the background. You can add text out here. Okay, so animated text out here. Okay, so you will also get images. You can add images, and work on it. There are also sounds. Okay, so for you to go and use those sounds. Okay, so you can also create videos using this tool. Okay, so there are also a lot of, okay, so there are also you can also make transitions according to your need. Okay, so and lastly, you just have to sync it and just brand it. Okay, so this software is newbie friendly software as well as for advanced users. Okay, so there are also a lot of features that are going to get added in this software. So go and get this software and lock your price now. Okay, so because the price is increasing soon, so they just launched 1 day ago, so you want to go and get this software today. Okay, because you do not want to go after the software price rises up. Okay, so okay, how to make money using this software. So now to make money with this software, okay, so you can create videos. Okay, so this software, it's very, very easy to create videos, right? I just showed you how to create videos, how to add your script, how to change background, how to add text, images, sounds, create your videos, add videos. Okay, so now in order to make money, okay, so you need to go and find products to promote. Okay, so in order to find products to promote, just go to digistore24.com. okay, so you'll find tons of products to promote. Okay, so you can see out here there are tons of products to promote, and there are a lot of categories out here. Okay, so whichever product you want to promote, you can just choose the categories. Okay, so my best one is the internet marketing and e-business one. Now you just go to this just find products to promote. Okay, so you can see out here tube mastery and monetization by Matt. Okay, so this product is around, okay, so $429.9. okay, so you'll earn about $166. okay, so actually it was $977, but they are running a discount offer right now, so per sale you'll make $166. okay, so if you want to promote this product, just go and make videos about this product. Okay, so if you go to affiliate support page, okay, so you'll find all the tools, you'll find all the graphics, okay, which you can go and learn about this product, and head over to this software, just create a video about this product. Okay, so what is this product about, what are the pros of that product, what are the cons of that product, just go and talk about that product. Okay, so once you go and talk about the product, and you just have to promote this. Okay, so once you click this promote now button, okay, so I'm not logged in right now, otherwise you'll get a unique link. Okay, so that will get tracked back to you. Okay, so every sales happening from this link, you'll make a good commission. Okay, so all you have to do is make videos about products, make videos about your services, make videos about your company, and put it on YouTube. Okay, so and just leave the link on the description, and people will go and watch your videos. Okay, so they'll watch your videos, and they'll know about the product, and if they want to buy, they'll just go to the description or the first comment, and they'll just click that link. Okay, and you can make money. Okay, so it's very easy to make money using video marketing. Okay, so you can add your videos on YouTube, you can add your videos on rumble.com. okay, so there's also another website called rumble.com where you get paid for your videos. Okay, so you can make awesome videos, and you can go and make money. Okay, so this is just a general process. Okay, so if you want in detail what to do, okay, so just go and get this software, and I'll give you support on how to make money using this software. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome. Please go to the description of this video and get the software to the links, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, because I'll be coming up with a lot of different softwares, reviews, and methods to make money online. Okay, so I want you guys to please make sure you watch all my videos. Thank you very much. I take a leave. Bye bye.